few days of dessert recipes. Today we're going to make a healthy and delicious salmon recipe.
This dish works beautifully as a centerpiece with steamed rice, but it's equally delightful when served in a Western presentation. For inspiration, just take a look above. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: fresh salmon, broccoli, carrot, button mushrooms, soup broth. Cut the mushrooms in half. If they are small mushrooms, then it's not needed. Rinse the salmon and pat it dry. Then, season both sides evenly with salt and place it in the oven for baking. For the most delicious salmon, aim for 12 to 15 minutes in a 400 degrees Fahrenheit to 100 degrees Celsius oven. It's done when the outside is flaky but the inside is still tender and juicy. Remember, it's better slightly under than overdone. No oven, you can pan fry it. Heat some all in a pan and cook the salmon for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Flip it when you see that about half of the thickness on the side has turned from raw to cooked. In total, it takes about 4 to 5 minutes until the outside is golden and crispy, but the inside is still tender and juicy, and it's done. The salmon is set aside after baking. Then all the ingredients can be stir-fried until fragrant. Adding a piece of butter will make it more flavorful, but feel free to omit it based on your preference. Seasoning with salt and grind black pepper. Pour in the condensed soup. Then refill the can with water and add it. This ratio gives the perfect flavor and consistency. Remember to keep the heat low and stir occasionally to ensure the soup cubes melt evenly and prevent the bottom from burning. Stir until the soup thickens to achieve a smooth and refined texture. I like to arrange the ingredients on a plate first, then place the baked salmon in the center and pour the sauce over it. Feel free to sprinkle some black pepper and chili powder. Skip it if you don't like them. Served on a plate like this, it becomes a main course. This dish is very simple to make, with fish, soup, and vegetables. It's a perfectly simple meal. The Campbell's chicken broth sauce provides a rich, savory base for the roasted salmon, and its classic Western flavor complements the salmon's natural oceanic notes. The essence of broccoli, mushrooms, and carrots in the sauce blends harmoniously, adding a subtle sweetness from the vegetables and enriching every bite with complex layers of flavor. On the palate, this dish offers a wonderful contrast. The roasted salmon boasts a slightly crispy exterior and a tender, succulent interior, while the warm, creamy sauce envelops it gently, delivering a silky smooth sensation. The vegetable particles in the sauce provide a subtle chewiness, resulting in a rich and varied texture that is neither monotonous nor overly uniform, smooth yet full of delightful variation. Overall, this dish achieves a perfect balance of flavor and texture. The rich sauce does not overwhelm the natural freshness of the salmon but instead complements it ideally, adding moisture and depth to make it even more succulent and flavorful. It's a simple to prepare yet remarkably satisfying main course whose taste and overall enjoyment are anything but ordinary. This vegetable soup works wonderfully as a sauce. It's light, healthy, and delicious. When you have guests, simply slice the salmon and serve it generously drizzled with this vegetable sauce. It's a dish that's both impressive to look at and a pleasure to eat. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. Everyone should learn how to make this. Such an easy recipe. Definitely add it to your go-to list so you can whip it up anytime you crave it. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. Salmon's most outstanding nutrient is its rich content of omega-3 unsaturated fatty acids. This good fat not only enhances memory and protects vision, but also helps reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. The high-quality protein it provides is easily absorbed by the body, promoting muscle growth and tissue repair. It is also rich in vitamin D and B vitamins, which not only strengthen bone health, but also enhance energy metabolism efficiency.
Make sure to enjoy salmon regularly. It's as nutritious as it is delicious.
My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For VO-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.